Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I literally got ready on camera before my going to a Christmas Eve like party thing. I did this look because I feel like it looks festive and it reminds me of like just like snow and like snowflakes or something. I don't know. But yeah, this was my idea. I did blue eyeshadow and a cut crease and long lashes. I just wanted to do a glam as fuck kind of look. Hope you guys like this video as much as I like filming it and doing the makeup, and leave comments, tell me what you want to see next. But thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. If you don't, you don't have to. Love you guys, and a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year guys. Alright, let's just start because I feel like I'm wasting time, like always. I'm going to be using this cream. This is called the Better Skin Miracle Cream. I bought this a while back. Pretty sure I bought this at Ulta. It's really good. What caught my eye is that it's vegan. So that's why I bought it. This is how it looks. It comes with like a little applicator. So I love moisture like so much. Like this is a lot, but hydrating my skin is such an important part of my makeup. Oh, I got my lips done recently, so I want to make a video about that because I've been getting my lips done now for like 2 years. So I want to make a video about anyone that's interested because I've kind of been through hell and back with it. So I feel like that would be extremely helpful for anyone that is really interested. Now for primer, I'm going to be using the Veil Miracle, Veil Mineral Primer. It's oil free. It's by Hourglass. I love Hourglass. The brand Hourglass is amazing. I feel like they are literally like the vegan luxury brand, the best one out there. I apply like that much on the areas that I want my makeup to last longer. Oh, I also bought new makeup, so I'm gonna try it in this video. Since I'm gonna be wearing makeup for the whole day, I can really tell you guys how it looks and everything. I bought the Tatcha, this silk canvas, so I'm gonna try it out right now. So I got this for myself for Christmas because I've been wanting it. Comes with like a little chip. I bought it because of the hype around it. James Charles loves it and Jeffree Star, and a lot of people actually like it. So this is so extra. Like, do you really need a whole package? This is so pretty. It was $52. Honestly, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to like scoop it. Like, is that bad? Using light sand shape tape. Before I even start, I always clean my brushes with the Cinema Secrets. I haven't found one brush cleaner that cleans as good as Cinema Secrets. It's such a good brush cleaner. I'm gonna go in with my soft Glam, and I'm gonna go in with orange soda. Yeah, I focus right here on the outer and make sure it's nice and concentrated on that outer edge, and then I start to make my way down. So I like the intensity of the color, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. I think it's called Churro. I think so. I'm not sure. Dragging this color out a little bit for a dramatic effect. I'm gonna cut my crease I'm going to be using this Tarte. This is another color though. This is the Tarte Light Medium Sand. It's a little bit darker than that one, actually a lot a bit darker. A little bit off of this tip, like that. And I just I put it on my hand. Your hand is your palette. So, just gonna use it like that. All right, so after you cut that crease, I'm gonna use this blue, I think it's called The Moment. I'm using it on my finger because that's just, it looks better like that. Gonna use this pointy brush and go in with, I think it's called Churro. Go in right here. Okay, so I did my liner. Took me a while. I'm gonna be using the Double Up Ardell lashes. They're in the number 113. These lashes are freaking glam. The price is amazing. Like, you really can't get any better. You can't get any better than these lashes. These lashes are amazing, amazing, amazing. They're so good. They look like they're like were expensive, but they weren't. They're like $5. This is how they look like. Like, you cannot, you can't go wrong. They make any look glam. Sorry, but these lash applicators, they're not good. They're not good at all. I'll just stick with my regular tweezers. Who invented these? They're not good at all. Like, they literally suck. I hate these tweezers. Hate them. Even though I still use them. I hate them so much. So yeah, these lashes are so glam. This is kind of dangerous, but I use like my eyelash curler. And like I curl my real lashes and the fake lashes together. My favorite foundations are, it's this one, it's the Fiona Styles. I'm in the color 03. This is the luminous. I also have the matte, but that's a little bit darker, so I'm not going to use that right now. But I also love the Hourglass stick, Vanish stick I think it's called. I'm in the color Bisque. I think it's Bisque. It's smooth like butter, but like not as oily, you know? It's smooth. This is the Morphe Y6 brush. I love it. And then I'm gonna go in my Fiona Styles and I'm gonna shake it and then I'm gonna put it on my hand. I blow it flat, I don't know. Something's wrong with me. But yeah, so I do that. This is just like for extra. I do this when like I want a lot of coverage. I'm gonna go in my beauty blender and I'm gonna spray some of this facial spray on it. Oh god, there's so much hairs on it. Cats are amazing. The only thing I hate is the shedding. I've been hearing crazy good things about it, so I bought it, even though I love the Shape Tape. I don't know, sometimes it's like good to like switch it up. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I got the color P Medium 1. Their color like names are kind of weird. So my favorite powder for the under eye would have to be the RCMA powder. This powder is amazing. As much as you think your under eye looks caked, this just makes everything look so smooth, and I really wouldn't, I don't know, I haven't found a good like setting powder in a while, so I'm just gonna use like where my Tatcha primer came in. And when I do set my under eye, again, I do like to spray my beauty blender. I just feel like it makes the powder just look nicer. Nose, I do like to contour with cream for some reason. It's just my thing. So I'm using Fawn in, this is the best concealer by the way, so cheap, so good. I blend out my contour with this e.l.f. stippling brush. It's such a good stippling brush. Also inexpensive. For my nose, I also like to bake, and I also do spray this with some setting spray, and I'm just gonna take, I put my powder in here, so I'm gonna take some of that, and I just, for my under eyes, I'm gonna start dusting away the powder. I'm using this Morphe Y11. I'm gonna dust that powder. Alright, I have no highlighter too, and highlighter gives me like freaking orgasms. I just love freaking highlighter. I love it. I love highlighter so much. Alright, everyone knows that I'm obsessed with this Park Ave Princess. I love it so much. I'm going to use Angle. I'm going to be using the Anastasia powder bronzer. This is in the color, I cannot speak. This is in the color Saddle. I love this color. It's kind of, it's really dark actually, but I only use a tiny bit. And it's a cool color, so it makes me, it helps me create shadows. And for baking underneath like my contour, I like to use the Hourglass because it's not like too matte. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. It's also like, I think this is the Good Metal collection. Using the Juvia's Place blush palette. I love these colors in here. Like, look, you could never go wrong. So I'm gonna mix Tao and Yara, which is this bronzy color, and then the peachy color. I'm gonna spray my face before I apply eyeliner using the Morphe setting spray. I love how that feels on my face. I got this new highlighter. It's by Jouer. They had this highlighter and then Skinny Dip, but Skinny Dip look a little bit too dark for me, so I went with this one because it just looked lighter. In the color Citrine. Ah, I can't spell or read. It's so little, it's so cute, so expensive. Yeah, it's so cute. Like, look. I'm gonna use this highlighter brush. So pretty. This is so pretty. So pretty. It's on my eyes. I'm gonna be using this little brush. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Kush mascara. This is by Milk. Ooh, I don't like that glare. I love this mascara. The wand is freaking humongous though. You have to be like super careful with this mascara when you're doing your under eye, your lower lashes, because it's so freaking huge. You're gonna hit your skin, and that's like biggest pet peeve is to have like mascara on your skin. So I'm gonna get some bronzer and like contour under my lips because I just want my lips to look like freaking humongous. I use this little hula brush when I'm contouring under my, and I'm gonna use the butter bronzer. This is the darkest one they have. I like the color Reezy. Let's see if we can mix Reezy with like another color. I'm gonna mix Reezy with, I love this color, with Noble by Kat Von D. Okay, that is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys send me pictures of you wearing it. I hope you guys comment. I hope you guys just love this video. I love making videos. I love makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and you like me blobbing my mouth the whole time. So thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. See you guys on the next one.